Good morning. My name is Ganesh Shankar Bhagat from CDM Burungle Science and Art College Shegaon, and my seminar topic is distributed cloud computing. In this seminar, the content: first introduction, diagram, advantages, disadvantages, conclusion, and references. Introduction: distributed cloud computing. Distributed means the data shared from the multiple servers that may be different location. The distributed cloud computing, the distributed data multiple servers, and the distributed cloud computing is essentially of three type of distributed. First is public and the hybrid and edge computing. Edge cloud. Public cloud is the all user use this data, and the next is hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is the combination of the public cloud and private cloud, and third is edge cloud computing. Distributed cloud is reduce the wide area traffic. It means the data, suppose one data is one place to another place, are not use the pen drive or a hard disk, then use the wide cloud computing easily used to one place to another place. Sometimes the idle resources cannot be worked. This time the distributed cloud computing automatically utilizes these idle resources. The distributed cloud computing is the independent of computer interconnecting the wire network. Next, in this diagram, I have explained the distributed cloud computing. Distributed means the number of servers is connected to each other, and all servers is store the data, and all servers is connected to database. So the cloud computing is provided mainly three services: software as a services, infrastructure as services, platform as a services. Suppose the use and the multiple user use in this system cloud computing, because it is most usually the data goes from one place to another place. Suppose user 1 is store the data in your computer, and this user goes from one place to another place. This time they are not use the pen drive or mobile and any hardware from goes to data one place to another. By using cloud computing, they are access the data of any place, any location or any place. It can be easily use the data by using the cloud computing. And this reason is cloud computing is mostly used in your technology. Next, advantages. Firstly, advantages is cost efficiency. It is a cost saving. It is not only the infrastructure saving but also maintain the hardware. That means it is a cost efficiency. Next is unlimited storage. Sometimes you need to expand your storage area, then you are provided the unlimited storage in this system. Next is quick development. All 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 servers are connected to each other, then the one server is changes, the all users are quickly develop and the change in this system. Next is auto updated. Suppose sometime this system are developing or changing or latest update in this system, the auto update software quickly update the system. It is not a customizing it not customizing. Next is data backup. It can be easily data backup and quickly because all servers is connected to each other. Next, disadvantages. Firstly, disadvantages is security risk. Sometimes the public cloud is a sensitive data, sensitive organizational data provided the third party, and this time the chance the data hacking, and it is mostly public cloud is disadvantages. Next is difficult to maintain. Or difficult to maintain, it means the all servers is connected to each other, and this time the all servers is maintained is difficult. Next is performance fluctuation. There are application running from the single server. This time the performance issue is created. Next is downtime. Sometimes face to the technical issue or low internet connection, power weightage. This time in this system they are not used or not work. Next, conclusion. Cloud computing is recently new technology development that have the potential to have a great impact in the world. It means it is very useful, the cloud computing. It has many benefits the provided the user and businesses. There are no standard or regulation worldwide provided the data through the cloud computing. It is data are used any location or it easily, or private cloud computing is secure. This reason is cloud computing is very mostly uses. References: I have Dr. Dr. Anand Nair, Basic to Advanced Cloud Computing. I have referred this book, and another is the Google website, etc. I have reference. Next, thank you.